Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to turn on flight or airplane mode on your Nintendo Switch 2. Let's get into the method. There are two ways to enable flight mode. First, hold down the home button to access the quick settings and then navigate to the flight mode option, and you can use the toggle switch here to enable or disable it. The second way is to open the System Settings app, then scroll to flight mode unless you are already on it, and then use the toggle switch here. That's how to turn on flight or airplane mode on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.